Hey folks, Adam here from 911 Studios. See that over my shoulders? That is a fantastic workout rope. And that's right, you too can get a great shoulder and back workout, arm workout, and you know what? It feels like you're getting a little cardio in too. So go ahead and watch me try it out. But I can't tell you how amazing these things are. These are great for shoulders. There's 100 different exercises you can do with them. Just an amazing product. So go ahead, pick one up today. You won't be disappointed. Now let me show you a little bit of use. So yeah, folks, it's an 1.5 inch thick Dacron rope. It's great for workouts. It does come with the anchor and base. Pretty much put it in your garage, put it in your home gym. Wherever you want to anchor it down, do it in the backyard if you want, and this thing is going to be a heck of a workout. You can see I'm not doing it enough. After doing a couple sets, I'm exhausted. A fantastic product. Order today. You absolutely will not be disappointed. This thing is fantastic for workouts. I'm gonna get back to it, get a couple more sets in, and then take a break. Thanks for watching, and adios, amigos.